Hato kwah banang kren phareng peit yakane ka Jinghikai kan iarap yapi lada phiyo chingmantoy nakane ka video wat nam glad ban like ban share ban subscribe lane wat nam glad ban page step by step khanang ba phinyo chingmantoy nakane ka video tangkatahi ngan sastang no yakane ka video. What do you want? Khasi ka kwah. I want to speak English. Khasi nga kwah ban kren phareng. But I cannot. Khasi tang ba ngam nang. Are you a student? Khasi pide ukna school. No, I'm not a student. Khasi am ngam day ukna school. That is why. Khasi takadaw. Can you teach me? Khasi long ba Jinghikai nga. Yes, why not? Khasi haoy balay amlang. Please watch this video. Khasi sngew pa peit yakane ka video. It will help you. Khasi kan iarap lipi. Especially for those who want to know. Khasi kam tam yagito hibakwa bantip. In this video, Khasi hakane ka video. I will teach how to speak Khasi ngan hikai kumno bankren. So that you will know. Khasi khnang ba pin comment. If you know how to, Khasi lada pitip kumno bankren. It will help you. Khasi kan iarap yapi. When you go outside, Khasi lada pilek shabar. Tell to your friends. Khasi kren yaki perlak jongpi. When someone tell to you, Khasi lada don mano bekeren yapi. You will understand. Khasi pinsa sngew thu. You look so sad. Khasi pi ile si bha. Remember when I was in my village? Nga kenmau sa orba ngadon hasno. I remember when no COVID, no mask. Khasi nga kenmau sa haba don COVID, don ka mask. I'm tired. Khasi nga lathai. How do you feel? Khasi kumno pisngaw. See you in the next video. Khasi ngen yeshem pan hakaway ka video. Kane ka video lapoy siya kabakot. Wan nam glad ban page step by step khanang ba phin yo chingmantoy na kane ka video wan nam glad ro ban share lam shiki perlok la ne haying asem jongpi. Wan nam glad ro ban like ban share ban subscribe ya kane ka channel kai chong ha.